look at all my plants. They're so good. Let me just keep some manure. Oh, hello guys. Do you see all my beautiful plants? Aren't they good? So, did you notice something very common? Yes, that is soil. Plants need soil to survive. But do you know how soil is formed in the first place? Millions and millions and millions of years ago, our planet Earth was just some pieces of rock and oceans. So, from that rock, how did soil come? So, because of the intense heat of the sun, running water, rain and wind, the rocks cracked and turned into smaller pieces. And then, by repeating this process millions and millions of years again and again, they turned into fine powders, which had silt and sand. These particles were soil. And of course, there would be different types of rocks as well. And so the soil which were made out of different types of rocks would be different as well. India has a variety of soils. So let's talk about them. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil in India. It is found in some parts of the coastal plains and the northern plains. It is very good for cultivation of crops as it is rich in humus. Crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, etc. can be grown in alluvial soil. Black soil. Black soil is made out of the weathering of lava rock. So it is also called black lava soil and it is also called black cotton soil. It is very good in holding moisture for a lot of time as it composed of mainly a lot of clay. It is good for cultivation of cotton. That's why it is also called a black cotton soil. It is found in the Deccan Plateau region. Red soil, as the name suggests, it is red in color. It is not very fertile compared to other soil types. But with the help of fertilizers and irrigation, it can be suitable for crop growth. Wheat, rice, millets, etc. can be grown in this soil. It is found in the states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Jharkhand. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is formed when minerals and humus is washed away by heavy rains and winds. It is not very fertile and not suitable for crop growth. But with the help of fertilizers and irrigation, it can be suitable for the growth of tea, coffee, rubber and coconuts. It is used in making bricks as it is rich in alluvium and iron. Mountain soil. Mountain soil is found on the hill slopes and mountain peaks of Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. It is rich in organic matter and humus. Crops like barley, maize, tea, coffee can be grown in these soil. Desert soil. Desert soil can be found in the desert regions of Rajasthan and Gujarat. It is not very fertile at all as it does not have any presence of silt and clay and only consists of sand. But however, with proper irrigation, crops like cotton, wheat, maize, barley and dates can be grown in this soil. Now that we have all briefed about the types of soil, I will ask you guys a question. How many of you know about the term soil erosion? So, soil erosion means when the top layer of soil is blown away or washed away by wind and water, and it takes away the minerals and humus from the soil. The factors like deforestation, overgrazing of land, leaving lands barren are factors which help wind and water easily take away the top layer of soil. So, how can we conserve soil or save soil? We should follow the steps that I will tell you now to protect the soil. Firstly, we should not let livestock overgrazing of lands. We should plant trees, afforestation, and we should plant trees in places where the trees and plants are cut down already, reforestation. Secondly, we should practice crop rotation and not use chemical fertilizers. Instead, we should use natural ones such as manure. So, bye guys. I hope you learned something new from this video, and thank you.